All right, guys, let's get into this silkening treatment step by step. Before and now we do step one, which is to clarify the hair, to remove all of the buildup on the hair, all the butters, etc. Because the treatment your hair needs to be clear and clean for the treatment to absorb into your hair. Section into 4 sections and apply. So I'm using my hands. Yes, I do have on gloves because of the acidity of the alpha hydroxide acid that is in the treatment that helps to correct the porosity and moisture levels. So it's not a relaxer, it doesn't have a burn factor, etc. But if you've ever gotten a facial and got like a facial peel, same ingredients, it may have a little sensitivity. So just, to avoid that, we actually have gloves in each kit. All right, so applying it and just working it through. So I apply to the perimeter, and then I go back in and apply to the inner subsections. Then I use a detangle brush and use a large tooth comb to work the product through for even distribution, because this product does not swell the hair. It's not a chemical treatment designed to alter curl. It is designed to correct. It's created to correct. Its number one function is repair the hair. Once I get it applied, I went to the heat for, actually no, I sat at my desk for 30 minutes, but you can do heat for up to about 15 minutes or about 30 minutes with no heat but a plastic cap. Rinse it really, really well with warm water and then start to cool your water off at the end of the rinse. Now I'm sectioning into about 5 or 6 sections so that I can blow dry. This treatment is heat activated, so you're going to get the best results when you actually seal it in with the flat iron. But if you are a curly girl and you want to get the conditioning properties of this treatment, once you rinse the treatment out, I would still suggest that you blow dry. This is going to help you seal the treatment in, and then you can rinse it and style it from there. Now, if you're getting a trim, this is the best time to kind of trim it after it's blow dried, and then you can rinse it and style it with your curly products. But for you silk press ladies that plan to wear your hair straight, you got to get the maximum benefit when you seal it in with the flat iron. So I've blow dried it. Now I'm trying to blow dry on cool so I can cool my scalp off. And now I'm using Silk Out Pro Heat Iron. And you can already see before I even flat iron it, you can see the quality and condition of the hair has so much natural shine just from the conditioning properties. So now I'm going in and doing one pass with the flat iron. I'm actually doing it on 450 because I want to seal it in my hair. And after I do the one pass, I actually, give you guys a little heads up, I lost the footage of me curling my hair. I don't know what happened to it. It just says it's not available. So, and I didn't realize that until I completed the entire thing. So, I'm going through sealing it, one pass. I may do like 2 taps at the roots, just because that's where it's a little thicker at. But this helps. This is going to seal the treatment in, help block out the humidity, so that my silk press lasts a little longer and it just has that extra shine and conditioning and protection. So this is a great product to use about every 10 to 12 weeks to keep your hair in optimum health. That's the core of our brand, is healthy hair. Okay, so no, this is not a texture shift, but definitely a high performance conditioner. So I lost the footage of me curling my hair, but I curled it in about 5 big sections, and because I wanted some body, girl loves some body. So look at it, tell me what you think. Subscribe, like, comment, give me some feedback. Have you tried it? Curious? Have any questions? Let us know. Silkening Treatment by Silk Out Sister.